morning everybody. In this video I am going to teach chemical properties of ether. Ethers are involved in two different types of chemical reaction. One is nucleophilic substitution reaction, another one is electrophilic substitution reaction. Already I taught nucleophilic substitution reaction in last video. In last video I taught nucleophilic substitution reaction. In this video I am going to teach electrophilic substitution reaction. Our topic is electrophilic substitution reaction. Which one is undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction? Aromatic ethers are undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction. Am I right? You know aliphatic ethers. Aliphatic ethers are undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction. Now our topic electrophilic substitution reaction. What do you mean by electrophilic substitution reaction? Removal of electrophile from the reactant and addition of electrophile to the reactant simultaneously. Removal of electrophile from the reactant and addition of electrophile to the reactant simultaneously is called as electrophilic substitution reaction. In this electrophilic substitution reaction, I am going to teach four reactions. What are the reaction? First one, nitration. Second one, halogenation. Third one, Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Fourth one, Friedel-Crafts acylation. These are all electrophilic substitution reaction. So first reaction, nitration. What do you mean by nitration? Addition of nitronium ion to the reactant is called as nitration. Nitronium ion. What's the symbol of nitronium ion? NO2 plus. Addition of NO2 plus ion or addition of nitronium ion is called as nitration. So first of all I am going to take one aromatic ether, for example anisole. This is aromatic ether because aromatic ether only undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction. This is anisole or methoxybenzene. IUPAC name is methoxybenzene, common name anisole. I am going to do nitration. If you want to do nitration, we have to add nitrating mixture. Mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid is called as nitrating mixture. This mixture is called as nitrating mixture. When concentrated nitric acid react with concentrated sulfuric acid, it gives nitronium ion. It gives NO2 plus ion. I will teach this reaction. HNO3, OH, N, double bond O, coordinate covalent bond O. This is what? Structure of nitric acid. Sulfuric acid, S, double bond O, OH, OH. This is structure of sulfuric acid. Compare nitrogen and hydroxyl group. Which one is more electronegative? Hydroxyl group. So here bond break. OH minus. Compare oxygen and hydrogen. Which one is more electronegative? Oxygen. So oxygen takes one pair of electron. Here also bond break. This OH minus combined with H plus. 1 mole of water is removed. Am I right? This OH minus is combined with H plus. 1 mole of water is removed. What's the charge of nitrogen? Plus due to loss of electron. So NO2 plus. NO2 plus. Next remaining HSO4. One H plus is removed. Remaining HSO4 minus. Oxygen charge is minus. HSO4 minus. When concentrated nitric acid react with concentrated sulfuric acid, it produces nitronium ion as well as HSO4 minus ion. Are you clear? This is the nitrating mixture reaction. This nitrating mixture gives nitronium ion. Okay. Another one byproduct is HSO4 minus ion. Listen here. This methoxy group, alkoxy group is a ortho-para directing group. OCH3 group is a ortho-para directing group. So chemical reaction takes place in ortho position or para position. Mostly chemical reaction takes place in a para position. Okay. So it gives mixture of product, ortho product as well as para product. Here I am going to write. I am going to teach chemical reaction in para position. Each and every carbon atom contains one hydrogen. So I would like to show hydrogen atom in para position. The same chemical reaction takes place in ortho position also. What's the reason? Because this OCH3 group Alkoxy group is a ortho para directing group. Okay, here carbon present. Compare carbon and hydrogen. Which one is more electronegative? Carbon. So carbon takes one pair of electron. Here bond break. This H plus. You know very well. This H plus is combined with HSO4 minus ion. You know nitric acid react with sulfuric acid. It produces nitronium ion as well as HSO4 minus ion. This H plus ion is combined with HSO4 minus ion. It becomes H2SO4. Okay. Now what's the charge of this carbon atom? Minus. N plus. So bond formation in between phenyl carbon and nitrogen. You can get product, para product. OCH3 NO2 para product. Okay, para nitroanisole. The same chemical reaction takes place in ortho position also, because OCH3 alkoxy group is a ortho para directing group. So the same chemical reaction takes place in ortho position also. OCH3 NO2. Okay. Any doubt about this reaction? Nitration in anisole. First of all, I am going to take anisole. If you want to do nitration, means we have to add nitrating mixture. Here mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid is a nitrating mixture. This nitrating mixture gives nitronium ion. Alkoxy group is a ortho para directing group. So chemical reaction takes place in para position as well as ortho position. So it gives mixture of product. It gives two product. One is ortho product, another one is para product. Which one is major product? Para product is a major product. This is para product, major product. This is ortho product, minor product. Any doubt about this reaction? Okay. So next I am going to teach halogenation. Okay. First reaction is over. Nitration is over. Next reaction 2, halogenation. What do you mean by halogenation? Addition of 17th group element is called as halogenation. You know fluorination, chlorination, bromination, iodination. Generally it is called as halogenation. Okay. Now I am going to do bromination. If you want to do bromination, means we have to add brominating reagent. These are all chemical properties of ether. Am I right? Electrophilic substitution reaction. Halogenation. In this halogenation, I am going to do bromination. If you want to do bromination, means we have to add brominating reagent. Bromine in ethanoic acid, Br2 in ethanoic acid or acetic acid. Okay, this is brominating reagent. Bromine in ethanoic acid acts as brominating reagent. So this brominating reagent, here this is brominating reagent, so it gives bromine to the reactant Br2. Will you write Br bond Br? Already you know very well OCH3. This alkoxy group acts as ortho para directing group. So chemical reaction takes place in ortho position as well as para position. So it gives mixture of product, ortho and para product. Mostly chemical reaction takes place in para position. Am I right? So I would like to show hydrogen atom in para position. Each and every carbon contains one hydrogen. Here mostly chemical reaction takes place in para position. So I would like to show hydrogen atom in para position. Okay, compare. Here one bromine takes one pair of electron. Here bond break. Gain of electrons means minus. Here this Br minus. Here Br plus. Compare carbon and hydrogen. Here carbon present. Which one is more electronegative? Carbon. So here also bond break. H plus Br minus. So bond formation HBr is removed. Next, this carbon charge is minus. Br plus. So bond formation in between phenyl carbon and bromine. This is byproduct HBr minus HBr. OCH3 Br. You know very well OCH3 group is a ortho para directing group. So the same chemical reaction takes place in ortho position also. OCH3 So when we do bromination in anisole or methoxybenzene, it gives a mixture of product. One is para product, another one is ortho product. Which one is major product? Para product is always major product. This is major product. This one is minor product. Okay. So halogenation process in aromatic ether, I mean anisole. So second reaction also over. First reaction in anisole, nitration. Second reaction, halogenation. Third one is Friedel-Crafts alkylation. I am going to do Friedel-Crafts alkylation in anisole. Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Aromatic ether, for example anisole. Am I right? Friedel-Crafts reagent, anhydrous aluminum chloride. What do you mean by alkylation? Addition of alkyl group, addition of methyl group is a alkylation. That one is called as alkylation. Here methyl chloride, CH3Cl. Friedel-Crafts reagent, anhydrous aluminum chloride. This is Friedel-Crafts reagent. This one is Lewis acid. You know very well about Lewis acid. It is an electron deficient. Always it accept negatively charged ion. Am I right? So here AlCl3 accept Cl minus. It becomes AlCl4. Are you clear? Anhydrous aluminum chloride is a Friedel-Crafts reagent. It is a Lewis acid. Lewis acid means what? Electron acceptor. I mean it always accept negatively charged ion. So this AlCl3 accept the Cl minus. Compare CH3 and Cl. Which one is more electronegative? Chlorine. So chlorine takes one pair of electron. Here bond break. Cl minus. The CH3 plus. Here this is electron deficient. So it accepts Cl minus. So it becomes AlCl4 minus. Am I right? Here CH3 plus. Any doubt about this reaction? Next, OCH3 alkoxy group is a ortho para directing group. So chemical reaction takes place in para position and ortho position. So it gives mixture of product. Mostly chemical reaction takes place in para position. So I would like to show hydrogen atom in para position. Okay. Here carbon present, hydrogen. Which one is more electronegative? Carbon. So here bond break. This H is combined. Compare carbon and hydrogen. Which one is more electronegative? Carbon. Carbon minus H plus. This H plus is combined with AlCl4 minus. What will happen? This H plus accept Cl minus. It becomes HCl. What's the charge of carbon? Minus. This CH3 plus. So bond formation. You can get product. The same chemical reaction takes place in, because OCH3 is a ortho para directing group. So the same chemical reaction takes place in ortho position also. Are you clear? Listen here. This is anisole. I am going to do alkylation. Alkylation means what? Addition of alkyl group. Here Friedel-Crafts reagent is anhydrous aluminum chloride. It is an electron deficient compound. Always it accepts electron. So this AlCl3 accepts Cl minus. So it becomes AlCl4 minus. AlCl3 accepts Cl minus. Why it accepts Cl minus? Because this is electron deficient compound. It is a Lewis acid. So it accepts Cl minus. So it becomes AlCl4 minus. Remaining CH3 plus. Next, compare carbon and hydrogen. Which one is more electronegative? Carbon. So carbon takes one pair of electron. Here bond break. H plus. This H plus is combined with AlCl4 minus. This H plus combined with one Cl minus. So what will happen? HCl. It gives HCl minus. Okay. Again it becomes AlCl3. Now what's the charge of this carbon? C minus. This alkyl group charge is plus. So bond formation you can get para product. The same chemical reaction takes place in ortho position also. So you can get mixture of product. Okay. So next our topic, Friedel-Crafts acylation. If you want to do alkylation means we have to add alkyl halide. If you want to do acylation means we have to add acid chloride. Okay, I am going to do Friedel-Crafts acylation in aromatic ether. This is aromatic ether. Acylation means you have to add acid chloride, CH3, C double bond O, Cl. This is Friedel-Crafts acylation. So in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride. Anhydrous aluminum chloride. Already I told you this aluminum chloride is a Lewis acid. It is an electron deficient. So this aluminum chloride accept Cl minus from acid chloride. Compare carbon and chlorine. Which one is more electronegative? Chlorine. So Cl minus, here bond break. This Cl minus is combined with AlCl3. What will happen? It becomes AlCl4. Am I right? Next, what's the charge of this carbonyl carbon? Plus. This OCH3 is an ortho para directing group. So chemical reaction takes place in ortho position and the para position. Mostly chemical reaction takes place in para position. So I would like to show hydrogen atom in para position. Okay. Compare carbon and hydrogen. Which one is more electronegative? Carbon. So here bond break. This H plus is combined with AlCl3, AlCl4 minus. It accepts Cl minus from AlCl4 minus. What will happen? It becomes HCl. This H plus accept one Cl minus. It becomes HCl. It is removed. So remaining AlCl3. Now what's the charge of this carbon? C minus. This carbonyl carbon plus. So bond formation in between carbonyl carbon and phenyl carbon. You can get para product. O C double bond O CH3. This is para product. Acylation in para product. The same chemical reaction takes place in ortho position also. You can get C double bond para product. Which one is major product? Always para product is major product. Ortho product is minor product. Okay. So totally I have taught 4 reaction in this topic in this video. First one, nitration. What do you mean by nitration? Addition of nitronium ion. Second one, halogenation in anisole. Third one, Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Fourth one, Friedel-Crafts acylation. Okay. Thank you everybody.